Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Boxycharm video. This is honestly probably my favorite video to film. It's August 5th that I'm filming this. This is actually my July Boxycharm, but it came really late. Like it came last week, probably on like the 28th or something. So I had already filmed my videos for that month. So I guess there will just be 2 Boxycharm videos this month. I'm not mad at it, but anyways, also, so the setup is different and the background and everything. So like if you watch the apartment video, you know that we moved. So the last like 3 videos I filmed in some different places in the apartment. I'm trying to find the best lighting, and if you watch the apartment video, I can link it down below. It might pop up on your screen anyways and say like suggested videos. But anyways, we have picture windows in the living room, and it's the only room that has windows. I like having natural light in the video too, and not just using like a ring light or whatever. So I'm sitting in front of the window, and hopefully the lighting is better. The background might not be as good because like you can see down the hallway and you can see like the cabinet behind me, but we'll see. Let me know what you think. But anyways, we're gonna hop in. If you want to watch me test out all of my July Boxycharm products, then just keep watching. So this is what the box looks like when you open it this month. So it has the little card, Boxycharm Sunshine is what it says, and it has my product information on the back, which is useful. So I'm starting off with a bare face because there is a skincare product in this box. So that is what we are going to be starting off with. You're gonna be able to hear the squeaking. I tell you guys that in every single video. It never stops. I stop and restart a whole lot to try to not get her squeaking in it, but then I'm pretty much stuttering the whole time and I have to edit and it's like jump cuts. Okay, first product. My face is clean. I haven't put any kind of moisturizer or anything on yet. So I'm just going to test this product on my bare skin. It looks like this. It comes in cute packaging. It's actually really nice. It seems very luxurious. It's in this little glass bottle and it has the little dropper. So this is the 1-1 Skin. I don't know if they want to pronounce it NAC or if they just say NAC, but this is the 1-1 Skin NAC Wide Tube Pollution Defense Booster. So it is a booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressors of the digital age. The booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a combination of peptides and antioxidants. And this product retails for $135. So again, if you didn't know, I pay $25 a month for the box. So this one product is like 5 boxes and some. So I've never heard of this before, and to be completely honest, even reading like the description of it, I still don't know exactly what it's implying that it does. I'm just going to apply it, and then I guess I will put my normal moisturizer and stuff on top of it. But it says shake well before use 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or directly after cleansing. But I kind of want to try the product just by itself. So it says 1 to 2 drops, so I'm going to use 2 because 1 just doesn't feel like enough. What, like a chocolate milk? Like a Yoo-hoo bottle? Shake before opening? I really don't like doing that. I would rather just like, I don't want to do that. I'm going to drop it directly onto my skin. Oh, I don't think it even dropped. It's like, are you guys seeing that? Oh, this is so thick. It has like a jelly-like feeling. That's not what I was expecting. But just using those 2 drops, like that is completely soaked up into my skin. Like I never even really got any on my forehead because I put it on my cheeks and it's gone. That's the only place that it is because it soaked up so fast. So to be completely honest, I don't even know what I'm looking for. Like I don't even know what I'm supposed to like expect out of it to tell you guys like, oh, I love it, oh, I hate it. I mean, it seems like a nice product, $135. I promise I'm not gonna pay $135 for it. I don't really know what kind of miracles it might do for my skin. So I'm only really gonna talk about the products in the box. If you've watched my Boxycharm videos before, I just kind of skip through everything else, but I will leave the products that I used on my skin in the description box below, the products that I used that were my own products. So I am just gonna go in with my normal moisturizer and eye cream and everything and move on to the next product. Okay, so I just did my primer, moisturizer, foundation, concealer, all that jazz. The next thing, it's actually the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. So it looks like this. I'm actually super excited, so I'm gonna read what it says. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. And I think I'm gonna go in with the second shade. They don't have shade names, I wish they did, but I'm going in with the second to lightest shade, and we're gonna see what we think. I kind of have high hopes for it. I've been needing a new bronzer palette, just a new bronzer in general. I've been using these same ones for a while. I also am pretty pale right now. I probably could have used the lightest shade. I don't hate it, I just noticed that it was a little dark when I first put it onto my skin just now, but they're actually blending pretty easy. Yeah, I really like how they blend, and I actually really like the color. And the products that I'm using today, I'm also really paying attention to the texture on my skin. It's the only face product, so I guess this is the only product that I'm having to pay attention to the texture on my skin. But I really have been slacking on my skincare recently. And so I've started it back, doing my skincare more faithfully and doing it every day like I should be doing. And if you guys would like to see a skincare routine, I would like to do one soon. I'm just really trying to perfect my skincare routine right now. So I do have some texture. I've just been trying to help with the dryness on my skin, really, especially on this cheek right here. I have some really bad texture, and I have a little bit of a breakout situation going on, not too bad. But I was mentioning that because this bronzer is sitting really well on top of the texture on my skin. I actually really like this bronzer. I'm excited to try some of the other shades. Now, these 2 shades over here, I doubt that I'm gonna be able to use. I could use a little bit and blend it together and just kind of go for like a deeper contour moment. But I would say this shade is pretty close to what I would like to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with blush and highlight and move on to the next product. Moving on to the next product in the box, I got a product that I don't use, but we're going to try it out. It could be a train wreck because I don't have a lot of experience with it. But this is actually an eyebrow pencil. So this is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. It has a 1.4 millimeter tip that provides complete control for naturally defined brows. This product retails for $28, and I didn't mention it, the bronzer palette I just used retails for $30. I definitely think it's worth the $30, and it just looks like your usual eyebrow pencil. It is very sleek though, it's very pretty. So it has 2 ends, so I assume one end, is a spoolie, and then one end is the product itself. And the product itself is not just like a normal eyeliner pen. It has the little angular rectangle shape on it. Again, I'm not used to the eyebrow thing, so I'm probably barely gonna use it. What shade did they send me? They sent me Warm Brunette. If you guys see that down the hallway, that's my dog. She probably needs to go outside. So I just used the eyebrow pencil. I don't know if you can really tell. To me, it doesn't look that different. I did apply my brow gel on top of it. And I don't mind it, but I mean, it's not a product that I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna buy a $28 Hourglass eyebrow pencil because I don't really do my eyebrows. I think it's a good product. I think the color was actually pretty close. I don't want to give too much of a recommendation, a positive or negative review, because I don't use eyebrow pencils, so I don't want to fully recommend this product to you, because for someone who really does their eyebrows, it might suck. And for someone who does their eyebrows, it might be fantastic. Based on just me using it on my eyebrows that are already pretty full, I like it, but am I gonna use it every day? No, I'm not. So the next product in the box is for eyeshadow, but it's not an eyeshadow palette or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow and then come back and show you guys the next product. So I went pretty simple on the eyeshadow because I think the product that I'm gonna use is probably gonna be a little dramatic. Next product in the box is this. This is the Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. It says a magic water that washes liquid color over eyelids and dries fast. Use this to deposit shimmer directly on the lash line or build bolder colors on lids for a 3D effect. So I'm not gonna lie, I was about to apply this directly to my eyelids. This is in the shade Never Settle, but it's definitely liquid. I don't know if you can see that in the bottle, but it looks like water. But it's kind of like a silver color. So I think I'm actually going to apply a shimmer color to my lid and then apply that on top of it. Okay, so I applied a shimmer and now I'm going to see what happens, I guess, when I stick this onto it. And the bottle has a caution sticker on it that says, "Caution, shake well, hold upright." So, good to know. I'm gonna shake it, hold it upright. And okay, well it has like a lip gloss applicator. So let's see what happens. So I just applied it and it's very wet on my eyelids right now. I was looking at how it says to use it because I put it on and I was like, I don't think that's right. It says shake bottle, spread across lids, close eyes for a few seconds to let the color set, then simply shine bright. So I guess I'm gonna sit here and close my eyes and see if it will dry and then see if it makes some kind of dramatic difference, because at this very second I'm not super impressed with it. So this product also retails for $23. I'm still waiting for it to dry. It said it dries fast and it's not really being very fast. So this has completely dried and I don't know what this product claims to do. A part of me feels like I did it wrong. It's not shimmery at all and I feel like it completely took away the color that I had on there before. And this paper specifically says you can apply it directly on the lash line or build bolder colors on the lid for a 3D effect. So I'm not seeing this 3D effect and I'm really not seeing the bold color. I think that the shimmer I had on before I applied this liquid thing looked better than what it looks now. I think it looks very wet now, which I don't hate, but I think it completely took away the shimmer. Like the shimmer that I had on, I don't see anymore, but then this, I feel like didn't add any shimmer that I'm really seeing. I might use it again just to try it out some more. I just read everything off of the paper to you guys. I did exactly what it said to do. I shook it before I applied it. I did everything and I just feel like I'm really not impressed with the results. So I'm a little bummed about that because I was kind of excited about the whole like liquid metallic eye color thing. I thought it was gonna be really cool and bold. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my eyes, my mascara and everything, and then move on to the last product in the box. Okay, so the final step for my makeup look would be my lips. And the next product in the box is a lip gloss. So I'm gonna apply this just by itself. I'm not gonna put lipstick on or anything because I wanna see how it looks just on my lips. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. It says it is a universally gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss, which sounds right up my alley because I'm definitely a lip gloss girl and I like the light pinks and the clear kind of lip glosses that just kind of look like your lips but better. So I'm going to apply this. I have high hopes for it. Oh, I love this. Okay, so I'm obsessed with this lip gloss. It actually might turn into my purse lip gloss that I carry around with me. Because if I just, like, I keep mascara and lip gloss in my purse because if I'm going somewhere and decide I just want to put makeup on, I'll throw on some mascara and lip gloss and it just kind of makes you look a little more put together and makes you look like you kind of tried today. But this lip gloss retails for $15. I would pay more than $15 for it. But it's exactly the kind of lip gloss that I go for. It's exactly the kind of lip gloss that I wear on like a daily basis. I really like the formula of this lip gloss. It's very thick. Obviously, I've not like, you know, ate something with it on and all of that. But I mean, if I eat and have lip gloss on, I'm gonna put lip gloss back on afterwards anyways. No matter how good the lip gloss is, I'm gonna reapply it. Like as of right now, I think it's probably turned into my favorite lip gloss that I own, and I own a lot of lip gloss. Okay, so that is all 5 products on my face. So about 5 minutes ago, I was ready to say that the bronze palette was my favorite product in the box, but it is most definitely this lip gloss. My least favorite product in the box is definitely the metallic eye color. So going back over the products, I used the first skincare product in the beginning, the Pollution Defense Booster for $135. I really don't have much to say about that. I really don't know. I need to do some more research on it because I'm not exactly sure what the benefits and everything of it are actually supposed to be. The eyebrow pencil, like I said, I probably am not going to use it that much. I'm going to keep it, and I'm sure I will randomly use it. The bronze palette, I love the bronze palette. Guys, that is all of the products in the box. I definitely think it was still a good box. So I guess that's the end of this video. I did want to mention that I signed up for Boxy Lux, where you pay the extra $25 a month, but you get like 4 or 5 extra products in the box. And I thought that would be really fun to do a review on that because you get nicer products, you get more products. So I thought that would be really cool. They do have a wait list, so I'm on the wait list, but hopefully I will not be on the wait list for too long and I can get my box. The next box comes in September, so maybe I can be off the wait list by September and be able to do a Boxy Lux video and let you guys know, I guess, if it's worth the extra money. That is the end of this video. So I hope that you liked it. If you do like my Boxycharm monthly review videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload every Sunday at 12 p.m. And leave me a comment down below and let me know any videos you would like to see. I really want you guys' recommendations. I want to know what you like and what you don't like, or what you would like to see. I want you guys' input on what you want from me, I guess. So if you want to leave me a comment, that would be fantastic.